Welcome to Stormino's Lab! Before we embark in our action-packed adventure of finding the ferocious wildlife of London, we have to talk about the camera that will help us capture our adventure. We have previously reviewed the DJI Osmo Action camera and we saw its capabilities. But how does it stack up against the new beast named GoPro Hero 12? Before we jump right in, let's see what we have in this cool little box. So, we're gonna open it and see what's inside. A lot of papers and stickers. The user manual made out of paper, creative. The charging cable, the mount, a screw, the battery. Looks cooler than the one from DJI Osmo, to be honest. It's white here, it just looks cool. And the sticky pad. And the star of the show, the new cool GoPro Hero 12. Looks pretty cool. The camera has two screens, one in front and one in the back. It has a 177 degrees field of view whilst recording 4K at 120 frames per second. But it can go up to 5.3K resolution. At 60 frames per second. Pretty cool if you ask me. Besides that, it can record in HDR, has a GP log profile, and it can record in 10-bit colors. So you can have the freedom in editing that you much desire. It is waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters. So you'll never have to worry when you spontaneously jump into the pool because you had one too many Capri Suns. The amazing thing is that if you're willing to downgrade your resolution to 2.7K, you can capture video in 240 frames per second. You will never miss those mesmerizing moments when you light up your campfire. If you worry about your footage, looking like it had 12 espressos and 4 scoops of pre-workout, need not to worry, my friend. The Hero 12 has the Hypersmooth 6.0 technology with Auto Boost, which automatically ensures you get the widest shots possible depending on the amount of shake your camera has. Also, imagine this. You're at a birthday party. Your friend is turning 21 and he's able to drink Capri Suns for the first time. The cake is coming! Everybody is singing happy birthday. But you are in a corner mesmerized by the patterns on the wall. Someone shouts, "Hey, record this!" whilst you already had your camera in your hand. But your reaction times are a bit skewed and you start recording only after someone pushes the birthday person's head into the cake. What do? You don't worry. Because of the Hindsight feature of the camera, it captures up to 30 seconds of footage before you even start recording. You will still get the shots that you absolutely need. Did you forget to bring extra batteries for your GoPro 12? Well, you shouldn't worry. Not worry too much. It has a 1720 milliamps battery with almost 2 hours of recording time being advertised at 4K 30 frames per second. If you go up in resolution and you want to record those buttery smooth slow motions, you have a 70 minutes record time at 5.3K 60 frames per second. So if you have a long day ahead of you, make sure to bring some extra battery. Why is wireless electricity not a thing yet? I'm looking at you, Elon Musk. I demand my rights. The audio is fine. I mean, there are still limitations of how big of a diaphragm you can fit in something this small. But the good thing is that you have Bluetooth audio. So if, for example, you're recording on the go and you're not hanging up upside down at the Ninja auditions, you can plug in your headphones of choice and call it a day. As we very well know, there are a multitude of accessories that you can get for your GoPro. From battery-powered tripods to flashlights, head straps, and gimbals. With this being said, you can have your GoPro Hero 12 in any type of flavor you desire. This little camera is priced at £400 or $400. Now we'll go outside, do some extreme animal feeding, and test this bad boy. We're in Hyde Park right now. I'm testing the new GoPro 12 and it's pretty cool. We stocked up on food, like 1.7 kilograms of wild bird seeds, so we can find the parrots around here. I kind of don't see anyone feeding the parrots. Usually there are like a lot of people. If not, I have no clue where we're gonna find them. But look how beautiful it is. So, you can see disappointed on my face. The parrots are not here anymore, apparently. So, we're just gonna try to go. No, don't wanna end up feeding swans or something. Birds! Birds, lots of birds. Look at this. We've got birds. Birds and squirrels. This is where the parrots were. Trying to look for the parrots, but they're nowhere to be found. Look at him! Look at him! I saw him! Come. Please, please. There you go. There you go. Eat your nuts. So that was it with the parrots and the squirrels. The furry rat was quite entertaining. I really liked it, and it was so soft and cute. And the GoPro is pretty cool. Like I think I like this one more than the DJI. So now we have a big surprise for you, and when I say big, I mean big. We're evolving from the squirrels to something really big. Stay tuned.
One eternity later.
So I'm in Richmond Park right now, and I found some deers, but they have like pretty big horns, and they have babies, so I don't know if I can get really close. I'll try to go a little bit closer, just a little bit. Okay. Oh, she got my carrot. Oh, look at her. She's munching on the carrot. So I don't know if I want to get any closer because they have like really big horns. Really nice baby deers. Like I think that this is mission accomplished. She munched on one of my carrots. Don't think about right now. So all this deer experience was filmed with the GoPro, and not too shabby, I have to admit. Really nice shots. Really enjoyed it, and I think it's a really good camera, honestly. Maybe a little bit better than the DJI Osmo 4, and it captures some really great shots of the nature. If you like it, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, ding dong the notification bell, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And also, just our latest 2 videos right here, just for you.